We're going to look at question 4, and we have a group of data given to us. It's a frequency table, but it's not grouped. We know the exact values. And the first thing is asking us to work out the median value. So to do that, we can open up a spreadsheet and type our data in. So the first one is the number of movies, and the second one is my frequency. So I'm just going to type that information in. And once we've got that typed in, we can do menu, statistics, stats calculations, and we have one variable there. It's just the number of movies watched. And my X, my data, is the number of movies watched, and my frequency is the frequency. And it's asked us to find out the median value. So the median value is this one here, which is 5. And then it asks us to draw and box and whisker diagram showing the results. So we're also going to need here the minimum, the first quartile, the second quartile, which is the median, the third quartile, and the maximum. So it's all these bits of information you can see there. So the minimum data is 3. And my maximum data is 10. My median, we already said, was 5. And my 2 quartiles are 4 and 6. And that then gives us our stem and leaf diagram, our box plot, sorry. And then the second part shows us a second box and whisker diagram, or box plot. And we're estimating the number of students in the second group who watched at least 7 movies. So 7 is the third quartile. And we know that the quartiles and the median split up the data so that we have a quarter of the data, a quarter of the data, a quarter of the data, and a quarter of the data here. So more than 7, watched at least 7, so can be more than, is going to be 1/4 of all the data that we've got. And it tells us at the top that there were 60 students in each group. So we're using 1/4 of 60, or 60 divided by 4, and that gives us 15. So there are 15 students who watched at least 7 movies.